Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by setting up only what matters: Flutter SDK installed and your IDE ready. Create a new app with Flutter Create, then open the code to start integrating the UI Kit. Add the UI Kit package to PubSpec. YAML and run Flutter Pub get so dependencies resolve. Once done, import the kit into your main file and scaffold a simple screen. This gets you immediately into building, not waiting on extras. It ensures the kit assets and themes are available from the first run. Now you replace defaults with the kit's components so the design system drives UI behavior. You will map theme data to the kit's color and typography tokens. Doing this once ensures consistency across screens. Import example layouts from the kit and adapt them to your constraints. Adjust paddings, responsive breakpoints, and state handlers. Make sure to wire any kit-specific controllers or providers early. This prevents layout thrashing and preserves animation performance as you build. Finish by validating and optimizing. Run Flutter Analyze and tests, then profile on a device to catch jank. You should tree-shake unused icons and compress assets before release. Enable split AOT for smaller APKs if targeting Android. Once done, perform accessibility and responsive checks across screen sizes. If components behave oddly, inspect widget keys and rebuild triggers. Incorrect keys often cause unexpected state resets. Make sure to test incremental changes so you can pinpoint regressions quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.